Doing a quick install video of a ZZP coil pack cover. It's a plate that goes over your coil packs to give it a nice clean look. I've already installed the ZZP billet oil cap. That's really heavy duty. And then a ZZP billet master cylinder cap. And first I'm going to install these bolts that give the correct height for the plate to cover to screw into. And there are 4 of these. They all take a 10mm. This coil pack cover plate costs about $50 from ZZP. Definitely think it's worth it. I got to detail my engine bay. It's winter time right now, so it's going to get dirty, but in the summertime this is going to look really, really nice. In one of my upcoming videos, I'm going to be removing the steering column and trying to find out what causes a clicking noise in your steering column. And there's a little plastic gear in there that tends to wear out. You don't have to tighten these up super tight. It's just aluminum and aluminum, honestly. Don't forget to plug everything back in. Snug everything down. Like I said, it doesn't have to be super crazy tight. So once this engine bay is detailed, that's going to give it a really clean look. I love that.